In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TurboTax on Windows. We'll walk through the download process from the official TurboTax website and make sure you choose the correct version for your needs. This is a simple process, but taking it slowly helps avoid selecting the wrong edition or platform. To begin, open your web browser on your Windows computer and go to the TurboTax desktop download tax software page. Using the official download page is important because it helps ensure you're getting the legitimate installer directly from TurboTax, which is the safest and most reliable option. Once you're on that page, look for the option labeled Download TurboTax Software and click it. This will take you to the area where you can choose the version of TurboTax you want to install. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Next, you'll see several TurboTax products to choose from. The available options may include TurboTax Deluxe Federal Only, TurboTax Deluxe, TurboTax Premier, TurboTax Home and Business, and TurboTax Business. At this point, take a moment to review the list carefully. Each version is designed for different tax situations, so make sure you select the one that matches your needs before moving forward. For this example, choose TurboTax Home and Business by clicking on it. Even if you plan to install a different edition, the process will be very similar. The key thing here is simply selecting the correct product so you download the right installer for your system. After choosing your TurboTax version, you'll be asked to pick your operating system. Since this tutorial is for Windows, click the Windows option. This ensures that you download the Windows compatible installer rather than a version meant for another operating system. At this stage, TurboTax should begin preparing the correct download for your selected edition and platform. If your browser asks whether you want to save or run the file, follow the prompt that appears and keep an eye on your Downloads folder so you can easily find the installer afterward. A helpful tip is to double-check both the product edition and the operating system before proceeding, especially if you're installing the software on more than one computer. That small check can save time and prevent installation issues later. And that's how to get started installing TurboTax on Windows by locating the official download page, selecting your preferred version, and choosing Windows as your platform. Once the installer is downloaded, you'll be ready to move on to the installation itself.